Hi everyone, welcome to Euron. And guys, today I'm here with a new announcement about a new series that we are going to start, and that series is all about statistics for a data science. We all know that stats is pretty much important to build any kind of fundamental or to analyze any kind of a data. And yeah, it's not that difficult. So sometimes somewhere we just need a revision of all of those old concepts that we have studied maybe a couple of year back, maybe in our ninth 10th standard, or maybe 11th 12th. So we have studied all of these things and we just need a revision of those concepts, revision of those fundamentals. And this is where, so I'm trying to bring this entire statistics series for all of you. So this series is going to start, guys, from 12th of May. Now, how this series is going to happen, what we are going to upload from our side, what are the content that we are going to bring, how we are going to conduct this entire batches, all of these things we are going to discuss in a step-by-step manner. So here in a what you will get section, so we have mentioned clearly that you are going to get a certificate, you are going to get a WhatsApp group access, a personalized one. You are going to get an access for a Yuri. So Yuri is basically a AI tool, so where you can go and ask any kind of a question. Even it is having a lot of like a API access for a lot of different kind of a models. You will be able to get an access of a resume AI tool. You are going to get an access of a job portal, so which is going to help you out in terms of finding your like a next dream job. You are going to get an access of Avani, which is a conversational AI. There is no prerequisite for this particular batch. I'm trying to keep, because whatever I'm going to discuss, so obviously I'm going to discuss from a very scratch, keeping only one thing in mind, that my learners are not aware about this particular things, and from that label I'm going to start each and everything. So obviously I'm going to start everything from ABCD. Now, quiz in every module, so we are going to give you assignment and challenges, we are going to give you a career ready portfolio you all will be able to build. Whatever resources which I'm going to discuss, or maybe I'm going to write a code, or maybe I'm going to make a note, each and everything will be available inside your dashboard itself. And here, how we are going to release this entire module, which is a most important part, by the way, guys. So every Monday, right, every Monday we are going to release one module. Every Monday we are going to release one module for all of you. Now, if I'll talk about a batch price, so we are not charging anything extra. So it's just a subscription of 299 rupees INR per month. I think it's a very like affordable for all of us, and that too you can cancel anytime. So if you are not liking this particular series or maybe other offering that we have, so you can cancel. But yes, just with 299 INR, you will be able to access this entire platform, whatever content that we have on this particular platform. So this is how, like, because we are trying to build like a OTT of an education, so we don't want to charge you separately for anything. So just one single price, and then you will be able to access each and everything. And I believe we are the most affordable in this entire world. Now, let's go ahead and let's talk about a content that you will be able to get. So every Monday we are going to release a new module. So by evening, obviously, we are going to release the new module. Now, just like a Netflix or just like anyone else who try to release the series or modules or whatever it is, right? Documentaries. So here, one module wise, we are going to release. So obviously, we are going to start from a very basic, like an introduction to a statistics, and then we will try to get into a like a little bit of in-depth. And if you will just go through a syllabus, we are not going to leave any topic unturned inside this statistical concept, so that as per your need, as per your requirement, you all can try to utilize all of this statistical concept in your real life, and you will be able to achieve something in your life. So keeping that in a mind, this entire series has been created. Now, who is going to be the mentor? Who is going to give you the entire content, entire video, entire lecture? So it is going to be only me and me who is creating this entire series for all of you. So apart from me, no one else means literally no one else will be involved inside this particular batch. And the only one who is going to record this entire series in a weekly fashion, and then this will be uploaded inside your dashboard along with the content, quizzes, assignment, each and everything every Monday. So hope all of you are going to like this particular batch. And yes, if you have any kind of a comment, if you have any kind of a feedback, suggestion, so please let me know. So we'll try to implement those feedback, comment and suggestion for all of you. Till then, take care everyone. See you inside the lecture.